Explanations. For wishes about the present we use I wish plus the past simple. Note the present relationship with the second conditional. I wish I owned a helicopter. If I owned a helicopter, I would be happy. I wish I didn't have to go to school. If I didn't go to school, I would be happy. Filled square could. We use I wish I could to refer to something that is difficult or impossible. This can refer to the present or future. I wish I could fly. I wish I could stay at home tomorrow. As in the second conditional, the past simple form does not refer to past time. Wishes about the for wishes about the past we use I wish plus the past perfect. Note the relationship with the third conditional. Past. I wish I had lived in the 18th century. If I had lived in the 18th century, I would have been happy. I wish I hadn't eaten so much. I feel awful. If I hadn't eaten so much, it would have been better for me. Hope if the wish is a good one, we use I hope. This is not followed by a conditional form. It is simply followed by the present simple or will. I hope you have a good time at the party. I hope the weather will be fine tomorrow. If only we can replace I wish with if only for emphasis. We stress only in speech. If only I owned a helicopter. If only I hadn't eaten so much.
A. I'm soaked to the skin. If only I had brought an umbrella. B. This pullover was cheap. I wish I had bought 2 of them. C. I like your school. I wish I went there too. D. I must get in touch with Sue. If only I knew her phone number. E. This bus is really slow. I wish we had taken the train. F. I'm disappointed in this camera. I wish I hadn't bought it. G. I answered 3 questions well. If only I had finished the whole test. H. I can't understand Marie. I wish I spoke French. H. I can't understand Marie. I wish I could speak French. A. Rita wasted a lot of money on DVDs. I wish I hadn't wasted so much money on expensive DVDs. B. Rita thinks new jobs are difficult to find. I wish new jobs weren't so difficult to find. C. Rita thinks new jobs are difficult to find. I wish new jobs were easier to find. D. Rita can't go on holiday this summer. I wish I could go on holiday. E. Rita doesn't have very good qualifications. I wish I had better qualifications. F. Rita has to do the washing up. She hates doing it. I wish I didn't have to do the washing up. G. Rita is sorry her family moved to the suburbs. I wish we hadn't moved to the suburbs. H. Rita thinks she is very untidy. I wish I wasn't so untidy.